Hello everyone, I am Rohan Dahal. Today I am going to show you how to make or enable share folder and transfer files from Linux to Windows. So watch the full video. First of all, make a new folder named share folder in Windows. Then go to the Virtualbox. But to do all this thing you need to add Virtualbox case additions in Virtualbox here. After that, go to settings and click the share folders button. In settings, after that click machine folders and again click the add share folder button. Then click the folder path and select the share folder which you had made on Windows. Then make it permanent and auto mount and click OK. Now go to the Ubuntu or Linux and click on any files and copy the file. Then go to the SF share folder at bottom and paste there. Now you have successfully transferred the file from Linux to the Windows.